Hello everyone, this is Oliver from Oliver Travels, and today I'm going to do a little review about a Mexican restaurant here at Sørenga. It's an amazing place, that's what I heard anyway. We were supposed to go to a beer festival, but that got cancelled due to the weather and stuff, but don't worry, it's going to be an awesome Oktoberfest coming up very soon, so watch out for that. So come with me to this little Mexican restaurant and check out the food.
Trinkst mal in die Hand, weil dann mach ich mal ohne den.
Prost!
Wasser! Die Kugel!
End of the road for this video. I hope you enjoyed the ride. What is the verdict, guys? Are we happy?
Oh yeah!
Woo!
Sleepy, sleepy, we zijn terug van Mexico.